Best beats, make it funky.
Yo. 1 2 2 1 2 1 back to number 1 second attack, a beat slap and a turn on your face, a hook with a elbow on the collarbone. So alone, give a man his word and he will find his way home. And then I take it back, way back, let's take it back. One and clap, the other is happen web. I'm on the World Wide Web. How's that in fact? Let me grab this, my fact, my cat. Who's the illest? It is you, put your middle fingers up. You all say fuck, you speak the truth. Who's the illest? Me here, fellas, here to tell us we must trust. Give word that never heard. The illest is you, put your middle fingers up. We all speak the truth. Who's the illest? 1 2 2 1 2. Yo, I'm chosen, a losing, as I'm cruising, and sin is no way. I lay the new way, both sides on the third. How's it still showing my worth? And I'm on my way to say I don't play with whatever there is to play with. I'm grown, seen him at his throne 24 year. Me also for your ones are my father closest ones. Look after him once and forever, like it was and will be alright. Arms. Who's the illest? Who's the illest? Who's the illest? Is you? Put your middle fingers up. You all say fuck, you speak the truth. Who's the illest? Me, ya fellas, here to tell us we must trust. Give word to you never heard. We must, who's the illest? Put your middle fingers up. You all speak that truth. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. There's nowhere to run to and hide. Make it alright, let the light shine bright. That the All Might, we must keep sight and fight for him, the one with the right, the path to the side, where everything is right, and he the right, and we aside right, alright, the height, that make you believe in the might of the light, and on this mic I'm gonna spite. So who's the illest? Who's the illest?